In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed and styled this unit that I got from SHEIN. This is a 4x4 human hair wig, and she is 28 inches. I absolutely love this unit. I had it for 2 years, so I'm going to show you guys how I styled it. So stay tuned.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒇𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I already told you guys that I got this unit from SHEIN. I had this unit for 2 years, okay? So if y'all see like a little crust or whatever on there, mind your business, okay? Just know I washed her, okay? So let me go ahead and give you guys the details on this unit. Baby, she is 28 inches. She got 2 combs in there. She also has one in the back. And I didn't show you guys, she has one in the middle as well. Adjustable straps. And like I told you guys already, it's a 4x4. Now, I'm going to put on the screen the details of this, but if you want to screenshot it, go ahead. I got this from Temu, and y'all, I love this stuff. It works good with the natural hair, with your synthetic units, with your human hair units. I love this stuff. It's so lightweight, airy. Like as soon as it dries up, it's beautiful. It just makes your hair so beautiful. So as you see right now, I am combing out the naps. So I had this unit for 2 years, baby. She is getting a little nappy, and I don't like that for my units. And I try to take care of my units, whether it's synthetic or human hair. But with this, like I told you, 2 years and I had her. Yeah, I'm taking good care of her. So whenever I do comb her out, I'm not being heavy-handed when it comes to it, because I want to keep the hair still in the lace and, you know, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and install this wig. So normally I'm that girly that goes with the flow. So whatever I feel, that's what I'm gonna do. So I sat here and I was coming up with something. Normally I wear a middle part, but I was like, why not put it to the side? Why not make a side part? Even though this is a 4x4, baby, I'm gonna turn this wig and I'm gonna make me a side part, okay? So me having this unit for 2 years, I have not cut this unit. I haven't cut any layers. I haven't really, I did cut baby hairs, but with this, I am going to use my natural hair on the side so I can get that, that side baby hairs, if that makes sense, as you guys can see. But this is my first time literally cutting as much as I did with this unit, and I hate it because I just didn't want to do it. But in order to come up with the style that I wanted, I had to cut it. So I got this from Temu, and baby, it was so cheap and affordable. I didn't want to continue putting heat to my units or even my natural hair, so why not try this? And yes, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna go with the flow. So I'm all done, and now I'm going to sleep, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product the next day. Boom. I'm just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this down right here in front of you guys. I don't know what it's going to look like. I'm just going with the flow like I always do. So let's take it down. I absolutely love this unit. Like you already know, and I told you several times, I had this unit 2 years. I plan on having this for a very long time, baby, until the last strand is left in this unit. Like, she's so good. She's beautiful, soft. Like, there's nothing wrong with this unit. I'm literally going to have this unit for a very long time. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe.